And you know, looking at that inning too, Pat, the fact that Zobrist hustled the single into a double.
Sure.
And then fly ball. How about that?
Crawford seats, look out, and that baby's gone. Semien, a home run, and it's 5-1, the A's lead.
How about a one-handed home run? Marcus Semien, his first of the season. 7th run batted in, give him a couple of hits for the night. And a good swing his first at bat, went to right center with a breaking ball. And